This is Greg with eXp Realty, and this is a Google Earth image of this area that I'm talking about over here. There's so much that I can show. I'm just trying to keep this as a short video so you can have an idea of what's really happening out here. On the bottom of this thing here on Google Earth, it actually says that this was 11/17/2018, so we're at the year 2023. What's happening out here would blow most people's minds. I'm going to show you where it's all happening. Okay, this is what I really wanted to show you. Okay, this is I-4 up here, so that's the main entranceway into Disney World and all the parks. Okay, I'm going to come out here a little bit. Here's the this is all Disney property out here. As I'm spinning this around, everything out here is Disney. You got Hollywood Studios, Walt Disney Resort. Okay, this is actually the Magic Kingdom here. I'm not even going to show you where all the growth is, but basically I'm going to zoom back out for a second. The area that is called Horizon West, and I can show you a video. Basically, this road here is the 429. It starts right around here and goes all the way up and around this whole general area. Not quite exactly, but this whole general area is called Horizon West. It's a brand new city name. They gave it this name 5 years ago. It's just west of all the Disney parks. Okay, so the 429, I'm going south on the 429 here with this. So this neighborhood that I'm showing you is down in this general area here. There's a main road that goes into the back entranceway to Disney World. It is called Western Way, and this is Western Way right here. Okay, so and this is where I'm trying to show you where everything is. So this is a major exit off of the 429. Western Way goes east and west, and it takes you into the back way to Disney. So you come in there. Then you can go to Hollywood Studios, you can go to Disney Resorts, you can go anywhere you want. It'll take you to all of them. So all the growth, as I zoom out a little bit more, all this whole general area here is going to be built out. Thousands and thousands and thousands of new homes are going into this general area here. There's stuff that's going to be going on over here. This whole area here, all around here. I don't even know the exact number of homes. I know one developer is putting up about 2,000. And then these roads are going to connect at some point in time. This is another main road. It's 27. This is out in Clearmont. They're actually going to have a road that's going to connect this entire area so that you can have another way into Disney. For anybody that's looking to move to Florida, this is an incredible area for investment, incredible area to live. So I just wanted to give you an idea. I'm only showing you one neighborhood, one area where they're building. But anybody that wants to talk to somebody, get a hold of me. I'd be one of the perfect guys to deal with when it comes to real estate in this area. I've lived here for 36 years. I'm 53 years old. I have seen everything get built out over here like nothing before. And I can tell you all the different things that are here and not be. So anyway, get a hold of me. My website and my email is here in this video. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. Okay, these are the model homes in this neighborhood. There's going to be 248 new homes that are getting built out here. Great area, close to Disney World, close to all the schools. Close to the shopping centers, close to restaurants. Everything's getting built fast. There is some availability right now that can close in September. Or that, not close, but that you can move in by September. It's May 15th, 2023. Just wanted to show you what's happening out here. Just another one of these neighborhoods going up fast. Community pool over here. The proximity to Disney could also make this an investment property. You could
buy these and rent them out. Not by the week or month. You probably have to do a year lease. But if you wanted to be an investor in a popular area, this is definitely for you. I just ran into another person from Brazil, and this entire area has massive amounts of people from Brazil that are moving here. They love this area, and they keep coming.